About the replacement guide for vertical fitness bike controllers. Raise the seat cushion frame upwards. Remove two maintenance rubber pads and loosen the internal screws. Remove the maintenance cover. Use a socket to unscrew the nut that fixes the crankshaft. Use a specific crank tool to push the crank out. The removal method of the cranks on both sides is the same. Unscrew all screws securing the left and right covers and remove them. Unplug the communication cable from the controller. Display screen connection cable. Battery connection wire. Magnetic control wheel connecting wire. Unscrew the screws that secure the controller and remove them. Align screws with screw holes. And screw in the screws to secure the new controller. Reconnect the communication cables in sequence. Display screen connection cable. Battery connection wire. Magnetic control wheel connecting wire. Push the belt to make the magnetic control wheel rotate clockwise. If the screen lights up, it indicates that the controller replacement was successful. Finally, use a hot melt gun to reinforce the wire connection points. Refix the left and right protective covers with screws. Refix the crankshaft using the previously removed nut and install the decorative cover. Pay attention to the installation angle of the two cranks. Reinstall the repair cover. Tighten the screws that secure the repair cover and cover it with a rubber pad.